Now let's see Taskfire in action. Please keep in mind this isn't the entire feature set, just a single use case that demonstrates the core workflow of the product. Let's start with the experience of a regular employee at our client location. Willie encounters an IT problem. His printer isn't working and wants to report the issue to the internal IT resource or gatekeeper. First, Willie logs into the Client Access portal with a standard login and enters a trouble ticket. The first thing he sees in the new ticket is a field to select the request type or type of problem being reported. This triggers the custom follow-on questions to automatically appear below. Now Willie can complete the form with detailed information guided by the template and submit his ticket to the internal support team. At that moment, Tom, the internal IT resource, receives a notification for the new service request. Now Tom logs into the client portal, but this time with a Taskfire login to work on the ticket. Tom goes straight to the printer queue to view the ticket. Because Tom has a Taskfire login, from here he can edit the ticket, assign it to himself, and update the status so Willie can follow progress. Let's say Tom also wants to add a quick note for Willie. One click, and he can create the note and even make it become an automatic email notification in addition to being saved with the permanent work history. In many cases, Tom may resolve the issue and complete the ticket, but let's imagine that for this one, Tom is stuck and needs help from his Autotask service provider. Tom can click on the transfer button and enter a brief note to let the service provider know where he needs help. This automatically updates the ticket status, and the visual indicator now shows the name of the service provider working on the ticket. Here we see the notification coming into the Autotask service desk informing dispatch of the escalated ticket. Any technician can find the ticket in an open queue, open it up and work on it just like any other. Here we see Tammy assigning herself as a resource and editing the status on the escalated ticket. Of course, any changes to the Autotask ticket are automatically synchronized and seen in real time in the Taskfire view of the ticket. Now let's imagine that Tammy solved the problem and wants to coordinate this activity back with the internal client support team. By using the Notify Co-Managed Service Desk function, Tammy can communicate to the client service desk that her work is complete. Back on the Taskfire ticket, once again, we have an automatic status update. We see the visual ticket indicator switch back to the name of the client company, and the resolution note appears on the ticket. Now the ball's in Tom's court. He can either complete the ticket or continue working if necessary. So in summary, with this example, what we've seen is how Taskfire automates the ticket routing based on responsibility, automates escalation and return trip, coordinates all shared ticket activity, and presents each user with relevant information at the right time specific to their role.